Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this John Deere. No fuel coming out of the fuel pump. I thought it was a plug filter. Changed the filter, nothing. So I took this off. I blew air in here. There's a couple bubbles coming out of the gas tank, but not much. So I blew compressed air in the gas tank a little bit, and no gas came out of there. So I took the fuel line off the gas tank. I'll show you right here. Let me take some needle nose here. Back up that clip. There you go. Now I should be able to get the screwdriver on the line here, right here from the top here. Pry it off. I don't want to break that clip. I'll blow a little compressed air here. You see gas coming out of the gas tank. See, right there, coming out of that. So I know the line in the gas tank's good. So this fuel line is plugged. Sometimes you can just put compressed air in there and blow it. Got a spare one right here. That's good. Put some compressed air in here. You see? This one's good. So I'm going to replace that fuel line's plug. This is a small gas tank, but the D130 or the LA135 and up, the back of the gas tank, there's a little hole to the bottom of the gas tank. That fuel line goes through there. There's a clip right here. So these clips on the fuel line, you just have to secure like this, and then you push it through the hole. They open up this way, so you put it around the fuel line. That you need to push in. Since I got a clip on the other fuel line, I'm just going to break this one off. And there's another clip right behind here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Right here. We'll squish the clip and pull at the same time. There we go. Before I pull the fuel line out, I'm going to take my clip out here. So there's another clip that holds the fuel line right underneath here, which you can't get at because you got to take the fender deck off. I'm just going to yank it off and try to snap it off. It's right there. So I'm just going to yank it. There you go. Come right out. And then I'm going to take the fuel line here. Yank it off here. So here's my old fuel line here. Pick my new one here. I'll make sure the clips line up here. They look okay. Let me take this off here. So I'm going to go underneath there and try to fish this up here. Come out to here. I'm going to try to fish that fuel line right up there. There. I got my clip here. I'll put it right here in a minute. Should be good right there. I'm going to fish this through on top of the transmission. So, fish through here. And I'm going to put it all the way in the front. And here's the clip here. And the hole is right back here, which is the hole right there. Line up that hole with the clip here. There. And then one's right back here. There's two. And there's a third one's right underneath here. It's pretty hard to put a camera on there, but I'm just gonna push it in there. Reach underneath here, grab the fuel line, and fish it through here. So there's a bracket underneath there. Put my hand this way and underneath, and then should be able to push it up here with your finger. This one's a little longer than the other one. So now I'm gonna go underneath there and push that clip through that frame underneath. So I ended up putting the clip there, right up there. You can remove the deck, it's a lot easier because you can get at this clip here and the one way back there. Take this off here and put my clip on. And then put it on here. And put my clip on all the way there. And then blow compressed air, see if gasoline comes out of there now. Oh yeah. I like that. It's a lot better. Now I'm gonna cut that off right here. Right around there. Okay, now I'll put it on top. Put in the filter. Alright, there's a little gas in here. See if it starts up. I'm going to put the deck back on. If you like this video, put thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.